Breaking news, Bafana Bafana has qualified for Morocco AFCON 2025, this back-to-back qualification. Something has, last time it happened, it was in 2013 and 2015 in this football nation of ours, Bafana Bafana. So massive, 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 massive. They qualified with 2 games in hand. Now I can see that the football-loving people of South Africa, they're saying that now let's go for position number 1. It's doable. We still have 2 games. One we are playing tomorrow at 3 o'clock, and then we'll host the last match, which will be our second match. This is something massive, massive, massive. We qualified without even using a calculator or supporting an opponent. So to Hugo Bruce, we are saying that here is your flower. Take. We appreciate you. We appreciate the good work that you have done into our